Hey guys, I got this Arpha Smart Lock here that I just installed. I'll show you guys the install process here at the end of this video, but I wanted to give you a close-up look of it real quick and go over the features. The sellers did send this to me to review for you guys. So I have this on my office door here, and basically you have a keyhole lock, you have a touch screen lock, and then with the password, and then you also have a card lock right here. You have two of these little cards that come with it, and they're like a RFID card there, and basically you just input it in, and then you can just use the card to go up to it. So you have those two options, or you have the card option, the code option, key option, and then you also have the app option to get in here. And I'll show you guys the app. Really simple. Once you connect it to the app, you go through the simple step process, you reset it, enter a certain code to get the Bluetooth running, and then see it pop up and you basically just connect it like that. Really simple to do, and you have different features in here. You can do different members of the account, add different passwords, add temporary passwords. There's an auto locking option. You can turn the volume up high or down low. I think it was a little high for me, so I'm gonna turn it down, and then I think lock volume English, and then you also have remote unlocking as well. So pretty straightforward in terms of the app, simple steps that you can do. It does lock really nice. It closes on my door. It has a nice handle. Let's see, lock it up, locks really nicely. And again, I can use that. It opens really quick, or I can enter the code, locks right there. And then you also have the key, which I don't even know where half my keys are anymore because I have smart locks on everything. And if I carry a key when you have a lock, as long as you put it in a safe place, then you're good on that. But simple locking on there, so works really well. So really nice door, nice features. It looks nice, it works nice. You got a locking button on the back, so if you go through, you can just hit that locking button. So you got that lock button right here. So when you close your door behind you and you just hit that button, it'll lock, and you can do it really quickly instead of doing that. It just saves you a little step. Really simple to push the button, unlock, unlock. So overall, I think it looks really nice. It has a nice design to it, and it works really well. So definitely recommend this. So if this video was helpful for you guys in making a decision, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next review video. Thanks.